And Mommy will get you one. Who's this one too? This one is to you. Who is that?
That's Grandpa Corbo. I will open my present. And I'm going to open it.
Yeah, you can open your present.
Good job, Greer. Here, Greer. This is from Grandpa and Grandma for you.
Hey.
Can you tear the paper?
No help.
You want some help?
Okay.
Okay, do you want Mama to take the ribbon off and you can take the paper off? See, you rip right here. Rip it off. Sorry, Amanda. Here, Greer. Here.
Hey, this is nice.
No. Here. You have yours. Look. Look. Here. Oh, hi.
What is that?
It's the oven.
Yeah, is it for cooking? For your kitchen?
I want up.
You want to open? Okay, Mommy will help you.
Let Mama help you?
Here. One make one. That one make one big purple. Thanks. Thank you.
Those are cool.
Those are very cool. I have coffee. The whisk is the little ropes.
This is good.
Can you cook with that?
Cook that.
Good job.
Oh, my kitchen.
Wait. We got more presents.
Got more presents to open.
Can we open more presents first? Okay, you leave those right there and sit back down where you were. No. Here, back. There you go. Right here.
No.
Oops.
Sorry, babe.
I mean
Oh, my
this one.
There.
This one.
Here is Greer's. Baby Greer.
Where's always go?
Should we get one for Arwen?
Should I do?
Oh, that must be for us if it's from Mom and Dad. Because theirs isn't here yet.
Thanks. Thanks.
You're welcome. This one's from Auntie Amanda.
I hope.
Here, right here. See this side? Tear the paper. There you go.
Good job.
Here, Greer. Can you tear? It is Backyardigans.
Who is that on the front page?
Make one.
Uh-huh. Who else?
Tosh.
Tasha. Uh-huh. Yeah. That's like this.
Is that other?
My book. Look. The Backyardigans. Look at Backyardigans. A bubble.
These things. Oh, pass it real